I always heard that it's very important in gymnastics to stick the landing. Although, in a perfect world, I guess that would happen on the other side of the equipment. Watch the attitude of the coach here. What's with the embarrassment? I mean, look who's wearing the hot pants. Now, everybody knows that the thick mats are supposed to break the gymnast's fall, not their necks. Ladies and gentlemen, watch the concentration of this young gymnast. Okay, that was the practice. Here's the real technique. This time, he nails it. Here's what happens when you buy your equipment at that foreign put-it-together-yourself furniture store. Here's why they call it a gymnast. Base, new bar. And now for an athlete who not only raised the bar for this event, he also left something of his wrapped around it.